Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured two vehicles for this customer, this BMW 440i and also a 6 Series GT BMW, both secured with a Starline Pro. So the way these work, if a thief was to do a relay attack on these vehicles, clone the key, hop in, steal it, they're going to start up. When they select a gear to drive away, you're going to see the car switch off, as it's done there. So what the customer has to do, they can either have their Bluetooth phone just Bluetooth on in their pocket with an adjustable range. When they leave the vehicle, it's going to become active straight away. When they come back, they don't need to do anything, just hop in the vehicle, start it up. We get a disarm tone straight away. As our phone's passed authorization, we can select a gear and drive. The vehicle doesn't cut out. Obviously there's going to be instances where their phone's gone flat, and obviously they can't use the Bluetooth to disarm the system. So what they have to do is go through their unique push sequence. So in this instance, they'll start the vehicle. For the video, we've left it simple at 1, 2, 3, but it can be totally up to them. Hear a disarm tone, and they can select their gear and drive away. If they want to take this for a service, they can do so in the app, or they can do it in the vehicle with just the buttons. In the app, it's just as simple as going in, pressing and holding until it goes yellow. When it does, let go, and you get your two bleeps. If your phone's not around on these, triple tap to get the ignition on without starting. Enter your disarm code to prove that it's you, so no one can just turn up and do it. Now we've heard our disarm tone, what we can do is press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the ignition off, back on. With a triple press, we get two bleeps, and now it's in service mode. So this means the system's completely disabled. When you take it for a service, all you've got to do is hand them the key. No need to give them a code or give them the phone. It's not going to jump out. The only way to take it out is pop your code in again. So when you get it back, triple press to get your ignition on. 1, 2, 3, which is our code. We get two bleeps and it comes out of service mode. That's the system active and secure again. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, triple press. Oh, apologies, we did 4. Triple press, 1, 2, 3. Disarm the system, 1, 2, 3 is our code for now. Get our disarm tone, then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses, ignition off, triple tap back on. We get 5 bleeps, and now we can learn a new code. So we'll just change it to, wait for a confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4, our code again. Get our second confirmation, that's the code change, so we can turn the vehicle off. Now next time you get in it, it's not, your old code's not going to work. You're going to have to start it up. Now you've changed the code, go through your new push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your confirmation and drive away. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This has a push sequence, Bluetooth pairing, so you don't need to use the code. So you just get in and start. No need to do anything else. It's as simple as possible. Adjustable range, so when you walk out of range with your phone, it's going to be armed. When you come back, hop in the vehicle, it's going to be disarmed. Choose your own push sequence. It will go into valet mode for as long as you want until you take it out. This is a Starline Pro on a 2022 M440i. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.